Are you obsessed with soft, crunchy nugget ice? Love hosting epic parties or just want restaurant-quality ice at home? The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is here to deliver all that and more. And trust us, your drinks will never be the same. Yo, Sonic Ice in just 6 minutes. No more waiting or settling for boring ice cubes. This machine produces up to 34 pounds of soft, chewable ice per day. Perfect for cocktails, smoothies, iced coffee, or simply snacking. So what did the customer reviews say? I use this daily for my iced coffee and it's a total game changer. My kids are obsessed too. Amanda T. The ice is exactly like what you get from Sonic. I'm honestly addicted. James R. Brain, smart features, portable power. Sleek, compact, and designed with a built-in handle, this countertop nugget ice maker is ideal for small kitchens, RVs, boats, dorms, or parties. Smart indicators alert you when to refill water or empty the ice basket. Plus, enjoy hassle-free upkeep with a one-touch self-cleaning function and a removable lid for deep cleaning. Cleaning is so easy. Just press a button. It's made our family events way more fun. Laura K. Shh, quiet, energy-efficient performance. Running at less than 50 dB, it's whisper quiet and energy-friendly, so you can enjoy chilled drinks without loud buzzing or high electric bills. It's surprisingly quiet for how powerful it is. Great for our open-plan kitchen. Rick M. Over 17,000 plus raving fans can't be wrong. This ETL-certified ice maker is one of the top-rated appliances on Amazon for good reason. It delivers premium quality without the premium price. Ready for the ultimate ice upgrade? Click Buy Now in the bio and turn every drink into a luxury experience. Like this review, share it with your fellow ice lovers, and follow us for more must-have finds.